Alright guys, we're going to show you this twin turbo kit. This is a stage 3 twin turbo kit. So we got 1 3/4 primaries. We have a 3-inch feed tube into our T4 flange, 3-inch downpipe, 3-inch coal side piping going from the intercooler to the throttle body. And you can see from this nice little angle we have going on here with that, the customer is using a is it a BBK, or I think it's a Holly intake, but it has a funny angle on it, so kind of tried mimicking it a little bit with the height and the angle there. As you guys might know or might not know, stage 3 kits for the twin turbo with the 3-inch downpipes cannot use the factory brake booster. You have to use either a manual brake setup or hydro boost, something. So let's see, we got our dual inlet, 1 outlet intercooler. And what makes this kit a little bit different is the customer is using BorgWarner S300 turbos. And these are, in the past, I always had to have a customer send me their turbo for the BorgWarner S300s because I just didn't have as much volume of those turbos to justify buying turbos for mock-up. But I ran across these knockoffs for a good enough price to finally say, all right, I got this big kit order for these. I'll just go and buy these mock-up turbos for this. So that's about it. Customer's doing his own wastegates and blow-off valves, so would have wastegate right there, right on the edge, and wastegate right there. And the blow-off valve would end up being down here. So since he's providing that, I don't have to worry about it. Trying to think anything else that would be different about this. Got our 2-piece downpipes. I already have the O2 sensor bung marked out over there, and O2 sensor bung marked out right there. So that's some of the stuff that I do at the very end. Basically, if you watch any other videos, some stuff is fully welded up, some stuff's just tacked up, and the stuff that's just tacked up will get done at the very end. But like this cold side, that's already fully welded up. So just the way it goes. Everyone has their way they build, and sometimes it's easier to bench weld some stuff, and sometimes it's easier to just tack it and then bring it back to the bench. So again, this is stage 3 twin turbo setup. The thing that's a little bit different about this particular kit is it's built for the BorgWarner S300 turbos, and that's really about it, besides for intake setup.